shot.
Where did you learn that?
Did you take the ball?
Yes, sir.
No, we haven't.
Oh. Yeah, stroke. Good work to get the ball. Yeah, good work, Taylor. Good work. Yeah, great shots. Tough work. I think it was good.
I think it was good.
Yeah. I don't exactly know how he did it, but side of the rocket, I think.
Yeah.
Hit the side of the rocket.
I think it hit the wood. Whatever you call it. Fiberglass. Frame. Oh, good hit.
That's it. Get behind it. Get it behind it. Good work, you guys. Good work. Ready, 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 ready. Ready. Good work. Get it behind them. Get it behind them. Just one behind them. Come on. Maybe down there.
That's it.
Get it behind them, Taylor. Get it behind them. Get it deep. One deep shot. Slow him down. That's it. Was it up? Right. Good call, Taylor. Go, go.